In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ProgressBarMonday.com. We'll start right inside your Monday.com account and walk through how to add a progress tracking column to an existing board, then see exactly how changing item statuses affects the percentage. By the end, you'll know how to set it up, what each status does to your progress, and how to read the results with confidence. First, open Monday.com and head to your workspace or My Work area where your boards live. Scroll until you find a board template you're already using. For this demo, imagine a board called Getting Ready for Exams. Click it to open. This board already includes a list of exam subjects and a status for each one, so it's a great place to show the progress bar in action. Take a quick look around the board so you're familiar with what's there, subjects down the left, and columns that track things like current grades or notes. The progress isn't visible yet because we haven't added that column. That's what we'll do next. Move to your columns and click the plus icon to add a new column. In the search box that appears, type progress. You'll see an option called Progress Tracking show up in the results. Click that. This adds a dedicated progress column to the board. When the column appears, it shows a percentage for each item. Behind the scenes, Monday.com calculates this by looking at the status values you've chosen to represent work completion. Typically, done contributes to progress, while intermediate states like not studying yet or studying don't. If you've got multiple status columns, the progress column can aggregate across them, but for this walkthrough we'll stick with the main status on each subject. Let's change a status so you can see how the math works. Click a subject that's currently marked not studying yet. Update it to studying. Notice the progress doesn't increase. That's expected. Studying means the work is in motion but not finished, so the item doesn't count toward completion yet. Click the same item status again to bring the menu back up. This is just to confirm it's still set to studying, and to keep the menu handy for the next change. Nothing about the percentage shifts at this stage because the task is still not complete. Now switch that same subject to Done. As soon as you do, you'll see the progress tracker jump to a higher percentage. That change is your visual confirmation that the board recognizes completed work and folds it into the total. The more items set to Done, the higher the percentage climbs. Let's mark another subject. Find a different item that's not studying yet and set it directly to Done. With 2 subjects completed, the progress increases again. Continue marking remaining subjects as done, and once every item on the board is finished, you'll see the progress reach 100%. That full bar is a quick, at-a-glance signal that everything in this set of tasks is wrapped up. To see how it behaves when plans change, switch one completed subject from done back to studying. The percentage immediately dips, reflecting that not everything is actually finished anymore. Change another completed subject to not studying yet. Now the progress drops further, down to around 60% in this scenario, because 2 items are no longer counted as done. And that's the core idea. The progress tracking column gives you a live, accurate readout of completion based on your statuses. Use clear labels like not started, in progress, and done, so everyone understands what each state means. Encourage your team to update statuses as they work. The progress bar is only as accurate as the data behind it. This setup works beautifully for exam prep, content pipelines, sprint tasks, any workflow where a visual completion percentage helps you manage momentum and spot what still needs attention.